Yeah, I wouldn't worry.
What's up, bro? Yo,
Hey, bro, how are you?
I'm
You're
doing
also
good.
the great white Maori. Fuck. I feel privileged, brother. Yeah. What time is it over there?
The privilege is all mine, brother.
Yeah, much love. What time is it over there?
It's 10 p.m.
Wow, sorry for the late one. I was trying to tag you, like, get a hollering at you like an hour ago. I was thinking there's a big time difference. It's only
Yeah,
like
I
5
can't really stay on, but I'd like to go live with you soon. If you want to hit me up in the inbox, set something up.
Oh, bro, I'm happy, like I got a big audience on this page that actually watches you and that, and yeah, everyone just wants to know where you get your te reo Māori from, and from me, I speak te reo Māori, and I want to give you a salute. You know, that's awesome. You wrap your tongue around it better than people that grow up here.
I just have people teach me. People will video call me and like teach me shit.
Bro, that's pretty cool, because you're picking it up off videos and that.
Thanks, man.
That's awesome. Love the way you roast people. You hold your own. It's awesome. Out there pumping the fist in places the fist ain't never been.
I'll fist everybody.
Yeah, fuck, I'll let you get back to sleep anyway, my brother. Eh? You got any shout-out? I don't want to keep you up.
Shout out to the Yosa, yo fuck.
Oh, fucking Zah. Yeah.